Hello and welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Today we have 30 Surprise X Pokémon Surprise X. The first one. You can write in the comments if you know all names. Write in the comments. Okay. Number 2. I don't know the names. Wow, nice figures. Great figures. Whoa. Please write in the comments the names of Pokemon figures. Wow, wow, wow. Next one. Who's this? Next. A lot of figures. We have 30. Oh, so sweet. Okay, next. Next. I love Pokemon figures. We have lots. Next one. Meh. This is sheep. Meh. Okay, next one. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Here. Great figures. So nice. Bam. And this one. Oh ho ho ho. Oops. Okay, we have 3 now. 3 Surprise Eggs. Oh, so sweet. And the last one. Wow! Ho ho! Finally, we've got it. Okay, write in the comments all the names of Pokemon if you know them. Thank you very much. Till the next time with Clipsmixxx. Bye bye.